Welcome to the Wonder Trading channel. We are happy to see you here today as we introduce our new trading strategy. A new bot that works on the basis of the trading pattern breakout. The algorithm will determine the trend line for a given period and determines its breakout point. With this method, you will be able to make more accurate and profitable trades. So, without delay, let's dive into exploring the features of our new bot. We hope you find this video informative. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the like button if you want to see more free strategies. Let's take a look at our breakout strategy. Breakout is a technical trading strategy that is used to determine when a trend line on a price chart has been broken. It is based on the assumption that when a price crosses a trend line, it signals a change in trend direction and the possible start of a new price movement. So, let's look closer at the entry points on the chart. The entry points for the trendline breakout strategy are based on the principle of breaking the established trend line. This means that we look for the moment when the price of the asset crosses the trend line that we have set in order to enter a sell or buy position. You can see examples of several positions on the chart. In addition, it is important to remember about the stop-loss order, which must be set to minimize losses in case of the false breakout. In general, breakout strategy can be an effective tool to determine the entry point into a new trend, but traders should remember about the risks when trading in the market. Now let's take a look at our strategy settings. First of all, you can choose the direction of your trades. Here you can choose whether to open only long or only short strategies. Then, if necessary, you can install an additional filter in the form of EMA. In addition, we used our own optimization system. The next block we use is the optimization block, which includes capital management settings. The system calculates the volume per trade so that your loss is limited by the risk you set. You can change it depending on your risk preferences. Another important parameter is the volume in contracts. By turning this parameter on or off, you will change the calculation of the position you will see on the chart. It will be either in contracts or dollars. This is done in order to correctly transfer the volume to the Wonder Trading platform. On current settings we use fixed take profit and stop loss, but you can use other risk management systems as well. The next block is the settings of this trading bot. You can change them depending on your time frame or the asset you choose to trade. The last block of settings is related to comments from the Wonder Trading platform, which we need to automate our strategy. So, let's automate our strategy and turn it into a trading bot. First of all, we need to switch to the Wonder Trading platform. Select the My Bots tab and click Add New. Write down the name of the bot, select your exchange and the API you want to trade with, and select the time frame and pair you plan to trade on, as well as set the entry volume and settings for take profit and stop loss. The next thing you need to do is copy and paste the comments into the strategy settings. Let's do it. The final step to creating your bot with Wonder Trading is to create an alert that will send this comment to the Wonder Trading platform. Click on the Create Alert button and add a message from your bot settings. Add a webhook. Create an alert. Return to the platform and save your bot. That's all. You can add this script from the link in the description and also automate it with Wonder Trading. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and best of luck with your trading.